Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.exchange. Due to my workshop in Bangalore, I just forgot, so now I'm recording. Last week, the markets have broken out, and especially Friday itself, market has broken out and it crossed all-time high. Now we are at the uncharted territory. And not only that, Friday we broke out, even the US markets shot up on Friday on back of some personal consumption expenditure data. So on Friday, US markets closed at all-time high and Indian markets also closed at all-time high. On Saturday, there was some short session for 2 hours and you don't see the bigger move in the underlying. That means the Bank Nifty was up only about 10 points and Nifty about 30-40 points. Look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is up only about 10 points, but options, even the 47,000 put option fell by 50 rupees. Even 46,000 put option fell by 30 rupees. So option premiums have collapsed on the downside. So that indicates, the upside is more than the downside. Probably big institutions are absent on a Saturday trading. So that is why the price did not move, but definitely people are expecting upside move. So that's why put premiums have collapsed like anything. And the put premium, people say, if Bank Nifty is up by 10 point, even at the money put should come down by 5 rupees. But even far out of the money options have come down by 50, 60 rupees. So that shows that very, very clearly our market is bullish. Earlier, I used to talk about box theory. So 21,000 to 21,500 was one box, and then 21,500 to 22. Then it became 22,000 to 22,500. And then it was oscillating between 21,500 and 22,500. Okay. Now with this momentum, and markets are likely to go into the next box of 22,500 to 23,000. And 22,400 is where the market closed. So another 100 point is not a big deal, especially when HDFC Bank started moving higher. So therefore, clearly last month, I said the range was 21,500 to 22,500. Now it looks like the range will be shifted to 22,000 to 23,000. And of course, with a positive bias. So globally markets are good. The Indian markets are also good. And however, on Friday, FII selling was there, but then, the selling was not big, and then it didn't have any impact because, on Friday, US market shot up. So overall, my expectation for the month of March is 22,000 on the downside and 23,000 on the upside. Other than that, the usual economic data, manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data, US jobs data, so and those things will be there. And then of course there will also be Fed meeting in the month of March. But the Fed meeting, they've already indicated that there will be no rate cut in the month of March. So therefore that is also likely to be a non-event. So, and I find that, 22,000 put option is being sold aggressively in the monthly options, and that is likely to be a great support. And interestingly, the entire February series was very, very volatile, and every day Bank Nifty was making more than 1,000 point move. But going forward in March, that may subside. The volatility may subside. Maybe in the second or third week after the election commission announces the dates, depending on that dates. So there may be a slight increase in volatility, but at least first 2 weeks there will be no volatility. And moreover, this month, March month is only 18 trading session. So out of that 18 trading session, I'm just leaving the Saturday trading session. Out of the 18 trading session, 1 trading session is gone already. So we have only, it's a short term, short trading month, we can say. So therefore, option writers will be hoping that, time value will be in favor of them. So in simple terms, markets are bullish, uncharted territory, all-time high is taken out, and every fall is a buying opportunity. And any fall, one can consider selling put option at 22,000 and below strike prices. Due to the recent volatility, the option premiums are still high, very lucrative. This is a hope that, January and February, 2 months were brutal months for option writers. Whether they are positional option writers or intraday option writers, the period was very, very tough period. But all these people are looking March as a savior for them. So March month, I'm hoping that, option writers will be making a good profit. And US markets and Indian markets both are looking very, very bullish. So I could not do many analysis because I was having a workshop in Bangalore. So the rest we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.